How to fix Samsung inverter AC blinking error, Complete Guide 2025. A Samsung inverter AC's blinking light signals a potential issue, such as a dirty air filter, a faulty sensor, insufficient refrigerant, or a problem with the outdoor unit. Start by resetting the unit and checking the air filters, then inspect the outdoor unit for blockages. If the problem persists, locate the specific error code on the indoor or outdoor unit to identify the exact fault and contact a Samsung service center for professional repair. Initial troubleshooting steps. Reset the AC. Turn off your air conditioner, unplug it for a few minutes, and then plug it back in to reset the control board. Check air filters. Clogged air filters can restrict airflow and trigger the unit to signal a fault. Clean or replace them. Inspect indoor unit. Ensure the air inlets and outlets of the indoor unit are not blocked by any objects. Advanced checks. Check the outdoor unit. Look for blocked vents or dirty filters on the outdoor unit, which can cause overheating and trigger a safety shutdown. Look for specific error codes. The blinking lights on your indoor unit often form a pattern or display a specific error code. Refer to your AC's user manual or the Samsung support website for a guide to these codes. Inspect sensors and components. A blinking light can also indicate a faulty temperature sensor or other internal component. When to call a professional. If the initial troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, the blinking light indicates a more complex problem. Issues like low refrigerant or faulty circuit boards require a qualified service technician. Contact Samsung service. For persistent errors or when the fault code points to a serious internal issue, contact the nearest Samsung service center or a qualified service provider for professional repair.